A major boost to employment, job creation, ease of doing business and economic growth as well.
A major reform push by a pro-reform government. The union government has radically liberalized the FDI regime with the objective of providing major impetus to job creation in India. FDI reforms were announced in sectors ranging from defense to aviation to single brand retail trading. In series of tweets, Prime Minister said that reforms will have a far-reaching impact on the Indian economy. He said the centre has radically liberalized the FDI regime with the objective of providing major impetus to employment and job creation in India. Now most of the sectors would be under automatic approval route, and key reform decisions were taken at a high-level meeting chaired by the Prime Minister, which makes India the most open economy in the world for FDI. Let's take a detailed look at the sectors in which reforms were announced. Aviation sector. Government has allowed 100% FDI in airlines and relaxed norms for overseas investments in brownfield airports. Only non-airline players will be allowed to bring in 100% FDI in local carriers. The measure comes less than a week after unveiling of the National Civil Aviation Policy. Promotion of food products manufacturing. 100% FDI allowed in trading of food products, including through e-commerce, to boost food processing sector in the country. Food Processing Minister Harsimrat Kaur Badal has recently said that the FDI in the food processing sector could cross $1 billion in next 2 years. Defense sector. For investment in defense sector up to 100%. The government has dropped the state-of-the-art technology requirement to apply for FDI relaxation above 49%. This does not mean automatic approval for defense deals. The deals above 49% still need government approval, but now deals not involving state-of-the-art technology can also opt for the route. Broadcasting sector. The government has also permitted 100% FDI under automatic route in several wings of the broadcasting services, which include teleports, direct-to-home cable networks, mobile TV and other broadcasting services. Pharma sector. 74% FDI under automatic route in brownfield, but the government approval route beyond 74% will continue. Single brand retail trading. The government has decided to relax the local sourcing norms for up to 3 years, provided that manufacturer is using state-of-the-art along with cutting-edge technology. The relaxation could be further extended by 5 years if the company successfully uses state-of-the-art for first 3 years of the operations. It could open doors for companies like Apple to set shops in India. Animal husbandry. Government has decided to do away with the controlled conditions for FDI in activities relating to animal husbandry. Private security services. FDI up to 49% is now permitted under automatic route in this sector, and FDI beyond 49 and up to 74% would be permitted with government approval route. In last 2 years, the government has brought in major FDI policy reforms in a number of sectors.
This is the second major reform push by the government after the radical reforms of November 2015. India has been rated as #1 investment destination by various rating agencies across the world. The just announced reform push by the government will only cement that position. With camera person Yogesh, Sudhan Sibbal, DD News, New Delhi.
And speaking exclusively to DD